Here is an experiment that proves that age has nothing to do with your ability to overcome difficulties. Timothy Salthouse and his colleagues conducted a study of how well people type as they age. Typing tests allow researchers to assess both overall performance and basic cognitive functions. A group of experienced, expert typists were recruited for the study. They visited the Salthouse lab and completed several different types of tests. The first was to type several passages as quickly and accurately as possible. Participants also completed a wide range of tests of basic cognitive, perceptual, and motor abilities related to typing. The researchers determined that there is almost no effective age in the actual typing speed of experienced typists. While a 70-year-old typist is slower in terms of cognitive and motor assessments, when you present these typists with a passage of text and ask them to type it as quickly as possible, their speed is almost identical to that of younger, experienced typists. Salthouse performed several clever experiments in which he restricted the number of characters ahead on the line of text that the typists were allowed to look. If you are looking only 10 characters ahead on the line, then if researchers block characters 15 and more ahead of where you are currently typing, it won't affect you. However, if researchers block all the characters beyond 5 ahead of where you are looking, then your performance will suffer. The experimenters found that older typists were maintaining their speed by looking farther ahead in the line of text than the younger typists. As their basic sensory and motor capacities declined, they discovered new strategies to overcome their limitations.